Mercedes.
Come on. I'll beat you
A
up.
battering physically and a tongue lashing as well, but instead, Statlander hoists up her challenger at full gear and drives her face first.
Yeah, she's backing up what she said earlier in the night. She challenged Mercedes to come out and do something about it.
Oh, wait, Athena, that's Mercedes' tag team partner in the AEW Women's World Tag Team Championship Tournament. Athena just bailing out Mercedes Moné.
Get up here.
Throwing Stat back in the ring.
And now Mercedes, the backstabber, and Athena, the face. Wow, some big-time backup for Mercedes Moné. I mean, we knew, Brian, that their interests would be aligned when it came to crowning the inaugural Women's World Tag Team Champions, but...
Oh, things are getting really interesting here.
Harley Cameron, Willow, Nightingale. Athena and Mercedes, first-round opponents, and the complicated history between Willow Nightingale and Kris Statlander comes to mind as well.
Yeah, but Harley and Kris Statlander have been friends for quite some time.
Well, Harley Cameron, she's almost been like a peacemaker, trying to bridge.
Yeah, Harley Cameron trying to lift Kris Statlander up.